Nupur Agarwal. I am learning robotics in RoboCalam. I've been coming to RoboCalam since a week, and every day we learn about new things. So today we learned about 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology in which you can design your 3D projects in a software called Tinkercad, and then make those projects in real life through a 3D printer. So for example, we can make this and like this robotic hand using a 3D printer, or a board or a spider or anything which you want through a 3D printer. 3D printer makes making solid 3D objects very easy and simple. So how 3D printer works is, first there is a software called Tinkercad in which you design your 3D project, and then you export the files to .stl, and then through another software program called Anycubic Slicer you can slice the project, place, adjust its placements and adjust the speed and all, and then save all the files, export the files to G code and save them to the memory card. And you will see that there is a screen in the 3D printer where you can select your files, because there are a number of files if you have a number of projects. So you can select the appropriate file for this project and then adjust the speed and all. So this is how a 3D printer works. And today we made this RoboCalam board using a 3D printer. It took like almost an hour to make, but you can see that the finish is super smooth, and it's very beautiful and not cracky at all. And the pieces seem 3D. This is what a 3D printer does. It makes your 2D circuits or projects which you saved in laptops into 3D designs using its advanced technology. So in RoboCalam you can learn many other things apart from a 3D printer. I learned about new terms like IoT, 3D printers, and also many other new components which are used in electrical circuits in our daily life, and we don't even realize that. For example, transistors are used in almost every electrical appliance you have at home, like a TV, smart TV, whatever. So you can learn how electronic devices work in your daily life. So please do join RoboCalam so that you can learn about the technologies.